Dear students, now uh, regarding sun and regarding the earth, we have a three case of the scattering. When the position of earth is farthest from the sun, first case. Second, when the position of earth is very nearer to the sun, and when the position of a earth is between both the situation. What will happen? In all three cases, the condition of sky or sun will be changed. How it is changed? Regarding its color it is changed. First, I am taking the condition of the between section. When the position of earth is between the furthest and between the nearest point, so what will happen? Blue color of sky will appear. Why it is? In this condition, when the ray of light from sun coming towards the earth, then in atmosphere of the earth many dust particle is there. It make scattered to these particle to the light ray. When these dust particle is start scattering of the light ray, then all the light ray will be in a atmosphere. So here the light whose wavelength is less, it may be scattered most. Due to this, the sky will appear as a blue. As Rayleigh's law says, intensity of scattering is inversely proportional to the wavelength. So in VIBGYOR, least wavelength have a violet, indigo, blue. So due to less wavelength, it will scatter most, so that these colors violet, indigo, blue will scatter around the earth atmosphere. That's why when we are seeing towards the sky, then sky will appear a blue. Okay. Now the second condition, of red color of sun. Red color of sun at sunrise and sunset. Why it is? As you know, at this condition, sun and earth will be furthest. So what will happen? At this condition, earth is furthest from the sun during rising and during sunset. Due to this, the ray of light which are coming from sun, it has to travel a longest distance. So many of the light ray whose wavelength is less, they will be scattered before reaching it, and due to scattering they will be lost. But due to larger wavelength, the red color will reaches towards the earth, and only the color whose wavelength is more is seen to us. That's why the sun will appear red during sunshine and sunset, because light have a less wavelength, they were lost, but light have a more wavelength, they reaches towards the earth, because sunlight has to cover a longest distance. So that due to the reason of a distance, the earth appears as a red. Okay. Now the third condition of today's white color of sky. White color, why sky will appear as a white color at noon? As you know that during the noon condition, sun is above to above to us head. So at this condition, this is an earth and sun will be in its top position, or you will say that at this condition the distance between the earth and the sun is least as compared to other two process. Due to this, the light ray has to travel a shortest distance. What? Shortest distance. When light has to cover a shortest distance, so that scattering will be least, because light has to cover a shortest distance, then nothing will be clear about it, and so scattering will be least, so maximum ray of light will not seen. That's why it appears like a white color, because it has to cover a shortest distance. Due to shortest distance, scattering will be least, or so that the color look like as a white color. Or you can say that when two person is running, and if they are running between 1 meter distance, so if both are running in a 1 meter distance, then when you are finding the gap between two, then the gap between two guy will be very less. But when they have to run a 400-meter race, what will happen? Now you will see that how much gap is there between both of them. But when they are running in a 1 meter distance, the gap will be not very clear. That's why when sun has to cover a shortest, when a light of sun has to cover a shortest distance, so the Vibgyor color will not be very clear. That's why sun appear as a white color. Here you will say that I have told about three conditions. When sun is at top of our head, then it has to cover the less distance or shortest distance. During sunrise and sunset, it has to cover a largest distance. During largest distance, sun appear as a red. During shortest distance, sun appear as a white. Between both the condition, you are seeing the sky as a blue, because scattering take place at scattering of the less wavelength will be seen in the atmosphere. That's why you see the color of these things. Dear students, two more cases: black color of sky in absence of atmosphere and white color of cloud. First of all, why the color of sky is look as a black if atmosphere is not there? As you know that these colors is due to the scattering of light. If atmosphere is not there, so the scattering will not take place, because dust particle and air molecules make a scatter of the light ray. If they are not present, or if atmosphere is not present, so scattering will not take place. If scattering is not take place, so you will see that you can't see the Vibgyor here, and if you not see the Vibgyor, then you will see that the color of sky look like as a black. As you know, when astronaut goes away from the earth, when they look at a sky, so on that condition, from the top there is a no scattering take place. That's why they look sky as a black. But when they are seeing the earth look as a blue, because due to presence of atmosphere, scattering will take place and they will see earth as a blue. Astronaut see the earth as a blue, but when he is seeing the sky, they will see it as a black, because of the difference of the atmosphere. Okay. Similarly, in moon there is a no atmosphere. Due to that, due to absence of atmosphere, it look like as a black. So the color of sky will look as a black if atmosphere is not there. Okay. Last case, white color of a cloud. As you knows that Rayleigh says about the two things in scattering. When the ray of light's wavelength is less than the dust particle wavelength, or when the size of dust particle is bigger than the wavelength of light. Here, during cloudy time, or cloud is very near to us when they are present, due to near point, or due to the size of the air molecule, what will happen if size of air molecule is more? Then according to Rayleigh's law, these particles will scatter all the lights in same extent. So if all light is scattering in a same extent, so they will look like as a white color. So due to nearer point, they scattered less and they scattered in a same extent. Due to this, the cloud will appear as a white, and it follows the Rayleigh's second principle. Okay.